ano yung mga ginagawa nyo, Gemini, no? But then, kumbaga, may mga madi-discover pa kayo, no, sa inyong skills, no? And you have to, kumbaga, enhance your skills, no, mga Gemini natin dyan, no? So, ito rin yung makakatulong talaga sa inyong stability, no? Something like that, no? So, maybe ito yung isa sa magpapagaan din ng inyong income, no? Ang iyong skills. And what else? What's your spending, no? So, sinasabi rito, Gemini, maghinay-hinay ka daw sa iyong paggastos, no? Lalo na kapag hindi naman kailangan, right? No? So, hindi naman siguro magtipid-tipid, or for some of you, kailangan din magtipid-tipid, right? No? So, basta, ang pinakaano rito is, wag gastos ng gastos kung hindi naman kailangan, right? And of course, beware with this fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no, na nagbabackstab sa'yo, maybe, sa business man to, o career, or job man, no, katrabaho man ito, no, ay baka sinisiraan ka nito, no, hindi mo alam. So, tignan naman natin, what are the possible lucky numbers or color, no, kung may makuha tayo for you, Gemini, no, within this week, no. So, kukuha tayo ng number, hindi tayo maghuhulog, no, kasi minsan ang daming nahuhulog. So, yeah. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. 3 cards for Gemini, please. 3 cards for Gemini. So, tignan natin yan. So, you have 9. Ayun din talaga, no? For you talaga tong 7-7. So, this is an angel number din, no, mga Gemini, no? So, there is a message for you, no, from your angel guides, no? So, you have to check it out. And then also, no, 5-5, no? Also, no, angel number din, no? 5-5. And pwede rin yung 7-7-5-5, no? Pwedeng pagsamahin because repeated numbers yan, eh. So, that's an angel number din, no? May mga messages talaga sa iyo ang iyong guides, no, Gemini. So, you have to check it, no? So, kung anong message sa iyo, no? That's I think is really important, no, na messages for you. So, yeah, no, again, these are your possible lucky numbers within this week, no? 9, 7, 77, and 55, no? Yeah, if you see these numbers, no, within this week, no, repeatedly, mga Gemini, no, may marireceive kayong good news, no, positive news, no, something like that, no. So, again, no, repeated numbers within this week, no, na ganito, na 9, 77,